Good morning, everyone. Please stand up for the national anthem. Let's all remain seated and listen carefully to the announcements. Please ensure your phones are on silent mode during the assembly. Now we will begin with a prayer. Everyone, please bow your heads. Students, please maintain silence and respect while others are speaking. If you have any questions, kindly raise your hands and wait for permission to speak. Let's welcome our guest speaker with a warm round of applause. We will now proceed with the cultural performance. Please pay attention. After the assembly, please follow your teacher's instructions to go back to your classrooms. Everyone please stand and join in the pledge. These sentences help maintain order and guide the participant during different segments of the assembly.